Product of sum and difference of two terms. In finding the product of sum and difference of two terms, we can use a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared, where a is the first term and b is the second term. The result is a difference of two squares. Example number 1. X plus 3 times x minus 3. Since the first term is x and the second term is 3, so x squared minus 3 squared. X squared is x times x squared minus 3 squared, 3 times 3, 9. Therefore, the answer is x squared minus 9. Next, 2y minus 5 times 2y plus 5. Since the first term is 2y and the second term is 5, so 2y squared minus 5 squared. 2 raised to 2 is 2 times 2, 4, and y squared minus 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25. Therefore, the answer is 4y squared minus 25. Next, 1/3 plus 4x times 1/3 minus 4x. The first term is 1/3. The second term is 4x. 1/3 squared minus 4x squared. 1 raised to 2, 1 times 1 is 1. 3 raised to 2, 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 4 raised to 2, 4 times 4, 16. And x squared. Therefore, the answer is 19 minus 16x squared.